This page is all about next year. What do you hope for next year? So, whatever grade you're in right now, put in the next number for the next year. So, if I'm in third grade right now, next year I'll be in fourth grade. And I can take this and make it bigger and make it really cool. What are your hopes for next year? And this doesn't have to be about school. Do you hope that you will have a lot of friends? Do you hope that you'll get to read a lot? Do you hope that you'll get to see your teacher every day? Next year, I hope that I am nice to people and they are nice to me. I also hope I get to learn about more animals and do experiments in science. So, what are you hoping for next year? It can also be something you hope for your family, or you hope for, with your friends or with your life outside of school. Something you want to learn. I want to learn about the solar system. What are you nervous about? I'm nervous about meeting my new teacher. So you just fill these boxes in. Remember, with the text box, all you have to do is click and start typing, and then you can go in and you can change the font and you can change the colors.